Hi guys, in this video we will discuss the nature of bonding from electronegativity. The non-polar covalent bond, the electronegativity difference is from 0 to 0.4. Electron sharing, equal sharing or nearly equal sharing of electron. Example, O2 molecule. Next, polar covalent bond. The electronegativity difference is from 0.5 to 1.7. Electron sharing, unequal sharing of electron. Examples, HCl molecule. Ionic bonding. Electronegativity difference is greater than 1.7. Electron transfer are from metal to non-metal. Examples, NaCl. Please like, subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.